Encircle is an all-in-one field documentation platform designed for property restoration and insurance claims professionals. The Encircle mobile app enables easy capture of important documentation right in the field, and that data syncs in real time to the Encircle web app to connect restoration contractors, policyholders, and adjusters around a single source of truth. Encircle helps to settle claims and get properties back to normal faster. Before I hop into a demo, let's take a look at the end result of capturing your field documentation with Encircle. Beautiful and organized reports. You can choose from a wide variety of report styles designed for any type of property loss. Whether it's an initial inspection report or job completion report, you can quickly compile all the information you've captured in the field into a thorough report with just a couple of clicks. Include photos, videos, notes, floor plans, moisture readings, room sketches, moisture maps, contents inventories, and any other documents you'd like to attach. Once your report is generated, you can email and share it right from inside the Encircle app. Our reports are interactive, so photos, videos, floor plans, and sketches can all be clicked on for a larger view. Replacement cost values for contents inventories can be verified with direct links to online retailers. Now let's explore the mobile app a bit more. You can start a new claim by clicking Add Claim and filling in the important job details. If you want some more insight into the property loss before you arrive on site, you can use Encircle Link to get photos and videos from the policyholder. You can also get the policyholder to sign documents remotely, like work authorizations before you start a job, or certificates of completion once the job is wrapped up. Encircle is organized by structures and rooms, so all you have to do in the field is document, and Encircle will take care of keeping it organized. In this claim, we have a room already set up for the exterior, so we can just click into it to start documenting the property. A quick photo of the front of the loss will be used as the cover photo for the final report. Once you arrive inside the property, we recommend that you start by creating a floor plan for your estimate. Capture the entire property with one continuous video scan. An accurate 2D floor plan will be returned to your Encircle claim file in less than 6 hours. Now let's move on to individual room documentation. Start by adding additional rooms into your Encircle claim file. To help us tell the story of the claim, you can take some high-level, left-to-right photos of the room. Use notes to capture cause and source of loss, pre-existing conditions, resulting damages, and more. You can use our voice-to-text feature for increased speed. Video is also super useful to capture additional details and help define the scope of the job. You can provide expert commentary and build a video scope in minutes. Since your Encircle subscription includes unlimited users, you are able to document multiple rooms at once, making documentation so much faster. Encircle has a contents workflow so that personal property can be inventoried really fast. Capture individual item photos, descriptions, box names, pre-existing damages, and more all in one place. Back at the office, admin teams can search replacement costs from right inside the web app to be automatically added to the contents documentation. If you're a restoration contractor working on a water damage job, all of your moisture documentation can be captured in Encircle Hydro. Hydro is a water mitigation checklist that is based on the IICRC S500 standard, ensuring that your teams are documenting the moisture readings that will justify the work that was done on the project. Set up drying chambers, get an equipment recommendation, document moisture and psychometric readings along with photos of your moisture meter, and create moisture maps. Project managers can access the data in real time to remotely supervise every water job with ease. And there you have it. Encircle can help you and your team to capture the critical details from the field, automatically share it back to the office in real time, and quickly generate and share organized reports. When everyone in the claim cycle has the information they need, everyone's job becomes easier and cycle times can be reduced. Most importantly, policyholders can get their properties and their lives restored back to normal faster. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Encircle, you can reach out to one of our account executives by calling 1-888-937-1077 extension 2, or by email at sales@encircleapp.com.